Found off the coast of Australia, this natural wonder is the largest single structure made by living organisms composed of billions of tiny coral polyps and visible even from space. What is the name of this massive formation? Hintin nyo, ayan. Off the coast of Australia. Composed of billions of tiny coral polyps. What is this? I see letter D as the Great Barrier Reef. I know nadidiscusin po ito ni Coach June. And of course, letter D is the back. Okay? So, the Great Barrier Reef, ang ating hinahanap, Amazon rainforest. Now, this is the largest rainforest that we have. Common item sa leto, this is known as the lungs of the earth. Kasi siya po yung nagpo-provide ng pinakamaraming amount ng oxygen sa mundo. No? That's your Amazon rainforest. Sahara Desert, this is the largest dry desert. Okay? The largest dry desert. That's your Sahara Desert. What if, yung tanong po is the largest desert lamang, wala yung Sahara, or merong isang choice dyan, no? Kapag yung tanong is the largest desert, ano po yung ating magiging choice? Pakilagay sa ating comment box. Okay, yon. Sabi ni Niccolo Machiavelli, no? Antarctica, okay? So, Antarctica ang ating tumpak na choice kapag sinabi lamang po na the largest desert. Pero kapag sinabi pong largest dry desert, then your answer be Sahara. What if, Coach Beck, pareho po silang andyan? Di, Antarctica, yung ating magiging choice. No? Basta walang dry. The largest desert, hindi specify na dry siya at nandyan yung Sahara at saka Antarctica. Antarctica, yung ating magiging choice, okay? Mount Everest, of course, this is known to be the tallest mountain from the surface of the earth, no? So, pinakamatangkad siya from the surface of the earth. But if you are going to consider underneath, mula doon sa sea floor, yung ating po magiging sagot is your Mauna Kea, no? Mauna Kea from Hawaii, okay? Mauna Kea, that's the tallest mountain. If you are going to consider even underwater, no? But usually, hindi naman po siya natatanong. Mount Everest lagi yung natatanong sa ating licensure exam, okay? With the second tallest mountain to be Mount Kilimanjaro, okay? Mount Kilimanjaro naman po sa Africa.